Hi everyone. Today I will be demonstrating how to integrate Flurry Analytics within your Swift iOS applications. So to begin, let's go ahead and create a new Xcode project. For this demonstration, I'll be building out a single view application, so let's go ahead and hit next, and we'll give our project a name. I'll call it Demo. Let's go ahead and save it out. So the first step will be to go over to our build phases, and we're going to expand link binary with libraries. And here we'll click the plus sign in order to bring in any frameworks we'll need alongside the Flurry SDK. So the first of these frameworks is the security framework, followed by the system configuration.framework. Next up, we'll click our project demo folder, and we'll bring in the Flurry SDK. So on top, we'll go to File, Add Files to Demo, and here we'll add in the flurry.h file and the libflurry file. And down here next to destination, we'll make sure that we have copy items if needed checked. So let's go ahead and add these files in. So before we can begin to use the Flurry SDK, we need to create what is known as a bridging header file, which allows us to use Objective-C code alongside our Swift code. So let's go ahead and create that right now. On top, we'll go to File, New, File. On top, under iOS, we'll click Source, and we'll click Header File on the right. Let's go ahead and hit Next, and we'll save it out. And I'll save it as demo bridging header.h, where demo is the name that you've chosen for your own project. Let's go ahead and save it out. So here we can import our Flurry header file and any other header files we might need in our project. But before we can actually begin to use the methods in these header files, we need to inform the Swift compiler the path and location of these header files. So once again, in our project root, we'll go over to build settings on the right, and in the search bar, we'll search for Swift compiler. And under the section Swift compiler code generation, on the right-hand side of Objective-C bridging header, we'll double-click it and provide the path to that file. And so it is demo/demo bridging header.h. So let's go ahead and test our integration. Within your viewcontroller.swift, we'll go ahead and type in Flurry, and we'll notice that the Xcode IDE populates this text with all the methods from Flurry that we can use. So we've successfully integrated Flurry within our Swift application. So next up, I'll show you how to integrate Flurry Analytics, and it's as simple as 2 lines of code. The first being flurry.startSession, where you'll pass in the API key provided when you registered your application on Flurry's developer website. And you should always keep this key private and never expose it to the public. So with that said, I'll just keep this as a filler key, your API key here. And next, we'll simply log an event using Flurry log event, and we'll pass in a string which will denote any event in our application. So here we'll just call it launched application. So anytime a user fires up your iOS application, this event will be triggered, and you'll be able to monitor how many users have fired it based on the progression through your applications on Flurry's dashboard. And with these powerful tools at your disposal, you can learn how users are using your application and how events are propagating throughout your system. Thanks for watching.